Thomas. Hey, Alyssa.
Hey.
Oh, here comes the ballerina. Let's see what Thomas is up to. There's Alyssa.
Hi.
Hey, Thomas, you gonna walk in your walker? Or are you busy eating that frog?
Hello, I'm with Thomas. And this is the Thomas and Alyssa show.
Okay.
And we are going to show you how we love each other. Thomas. Big. 4, 5, 6. And this is how you do a jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And listen to me playing the piano.
Here comes Thomas.
That's also how we love each other. He always follows me.
Okay, tell everybody bye.
And look at this American girl. Do you think it looks like weird? Bye-bye.
You gotta get in the picture to say bye, Alyssa. Get next to Thomas.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.